The enhanced security mode of Weintek HMI handles user account control for the HMI. Normally, those settings are saved in each HMI. However, that means, in case of any UAC-related change, each HMI needs to be updated individually, which is quite a hassle. To tackle this problem, now CMTX provides centralized UAC management, using LDAP server, or HMI as the central UAC server. In the LDAP server setup, an HMI would connect to an LDAP server to verify user identity and process login. When any change to a user account is necessary, such change needs to be updated in the LDAP server only. This is particularly of interest to those already having an LDAP server in operation. On the other hand, if using an HMI as a central server, the HMI that is processing login now just has to connect to the central HMI instead. Similar to LDAP, when any change to a user account is necessary, such change only needs to be updated in this central HMI. With centralized UAC management, HMI management is a lot easier and more efficient than it used to be.